Today on Trail Preview Thursdays, I am previewing Upper 50 Year Trail in the 50 Year Trail system in Tucson, Arizona. Upper 50 Year Trail in Tucson, Arizona is a very fun trail, and I would definitely recommend checking it out if you are in the area. It has some technical climbs and technical descents. It is a black trail rated overall, and I would probably agree with that. This trail was definitely not for the beginner rider. If you're an intermediate, you would probably still be able to ride this trail. Just know that you will be walking things on the trail with 350 feet of climbing and 320-ish feet of descent. This trail, you're obviously climbing for more than you are descending, but it is all technical climbing and it is pretty fun. The first part of the trail that you get on, I would say it is more of a hiking trail than a biking trail. If you're very technical, skilled at riding and climbing and maybe into trials, you could probably get up it. But some of the sections were like that skinny with rocks on either side. So I would definitely know that you are going to be hiking some on the trail. Just bring that in with expectation and not that you're going to be riding everything. And then you will have probably a pretty good time on the trail. As you get around to the middle section of the trail, you see a giant slab. And that is part of Slab City. You can just walk up the slab and ride down if you don't want to do the entire part of Slab City, which is what I opted for. Not necessarily knowing that it was Slab City, but that is what I did. I just thought it was a bonus slab that you could hit. But I would definitely recommend it so that way you don't have to like backtrack and double track. There are a few technical bits on this trail, or maybe I should say a lot of technical bits. So you should definitely know your skill level and walk if you need to walk. There are some steep rolls here and slabs, and some of the rocks just kind of drop off. I was able to roll pretty much all of them, but you do need to stay on your toes because every now and then there is a drop to flat. And you don't want to think that you can roll that and then end up going over the bars. Especially in this trail because there are cactuses on every single side. This trail seems very narrow and at some spots, and there is cactuses on both sides. So definitely make sure that you have your line and are committed. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe bar down there. It helps this video get to more mountain bikers just like you. There are a lot of optional lines on this trail, so just make sure that you are on your toes so that way you can get to them if you want to do them and ride them, because some of them can be pretty fun. Go ahead and drop into the trail. And that is Upper 50 Year Trail. I hope you enjoyed this trail preview, and if it was helpful, please give a like and let me know how your trip went in the comment section down below. If you want to see my full video about 50 Year Trail system, go ahead and check out that video right here. In the meantime, go find your epic.